Yes, what it is, man. It's your boy Conga Lion Crypto, and I'm back with another one. How you guys doing today? Before I go any further, guys, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and you could also use my link down in the description box to sign up for the Crypto.com if you haven't signed up yet. If you do so, you get $25, and I get $25. That's just a beautiful way to start your crypto journey. Before I go any further, guys, I want to talk to you guys about New Paradise Natural. Guys, I'm going to have my link in the description box also for New Paradise Natural. If you need sea moss, check with New Paradise. Use my link in the description and you get 15% off any purchase, guys. And sea moss is really good for you guys. It's good for the hair, it's good for the skin. Have like 92 different health benefit for you guys. So just do your research. I always tell people, whatever it is, do your research. But if you need sea moss, you could use my description. You could use my link, and you get 15% off when you do so, guys. And that's what it is, man. So let me jump right into the crypto. Uh, Jump right into the DeFi, and show you guys a little bit of what's going on with my DeFi wallet. Decentralized finance, that's where it's at. That's what it is. Financial freedom. You know what I'm saying? We try to find that. We looking for it. We're not gonna stop until we find it. So as you guys can see, man, I'm jumping to the DeFi wallet, and most of the coins are down right now. It's a bunch of uncertainty. We really don't know what's going on. It's hard to say. The best thing, just like I told you guys in the last video, what I'm doing right now, I'm just hold on to. If it's not something in the MMF blockchain, I'm not doing it. You know what I'm saying? If it's not on the MMF platform, I'm not. I'm just gonna hold off right now and buying coins. But I want to jump straight into it. Let me go to MMF and and as you guys can see, every time I come now, MMF is at 638 million. So it's shooting, it's going, it's moving. MMO is 208 million. You know what I'm saying? So that tells you that these things is moving. So it's a good thing, guys. It's a good thing with MMF, and I'm always gonna do MMF until I can't do MMF no more. So now we at 89 cents. It's about to hit 90 cents. So it's a beautiful thing. I can't wait for it to hit $1. I think last week I said I expect this thing to hit $1 by Monday, which it didn't hit $1 by Monday. So, but as you guys can see, it's getting closer and closer. It's 98 cents, and before we know it, this thing probably hit $1. And I bought it at 49 cents. I bought some at 49. I bought some at 50. I bought at different price, guys. So as you guys can see, but let's get into my pool and see. I don't remember what I got. Be honest with you, I don't remember what I got in here. I think I moved everything from here. I know I didn't. I have a few things here. Okay, so I have. So I got 33 MMF. Well, it's not MMF. It's Mino. I got these WS Mino, and I got 33 of them, and I'm earning MMF. So far I got 28 cents in the MMF. I just start this pool, not I think I harvest what I had in there, so that's why it's nothing in there. Okay, but the interest, the APR, and this one is 549 right now. So that's very high, guys. So that's kind of what I have in the pool right now. I think I have something in the farm. Not, yeah, I do have something in the farm, guys. So I could show you guys what's in the farm. And what I notice about a lot of my videos, I'm gonna start. I know I show a few times how to swap your tokens and stuff. So I'm gonna keep on doing. Make sure I always show you guys, because a lot of people don't know how to swap their tokens. You know what I'm saying? So I always want to make sure you guys. But anyway, guys, right here I got my liquidity staking right here, and I have Crow King and I have Wrap CRO. And so far I made $2.33 since I started this pool, and I started this pool maybe a week ago, and I started with $24. Wrap I don't know if it's the Wrap CRO or the Crow King, but something is down because I'm at $21 and I started with 24. So that's just, or one of them. I don't know which one of them. It might be both of them, it might be one of them, but that's just how it goes. So anyway, I'm not tripping. I'm still getting interest. So I started with 24, and I'm still at 24. You know what I'm saying, with the interest that, so that's what I got in the farm, and that's it. That's having two tokens working for me. Okay. Uh, I'm gonna jump to MMO and show you guys what's going on in MMO. And I also have I have 3 NFTs, and I'm gonna show you guys. I don't want to jump ahead of myself. I'll get this thing open up, and but what I did, I took interest from one of my staking pool, and I used that money to buy an NFT. And I only got 3 NFTs. These are my first NFTs. I never really, buy any NFT before, so these are my first NFTs. And from what's going on with the NFT market, it's just, it looks crazy. So I'm gonna hold on to what I got and see what it do. Okay, so right now I'm here in my where I stake MMF, and I'm earning interest. So this is where I took the money from that I used to buy the NFT, the Mino NFT. So I got 3 Mino NFT, and as I said, this is where it comes from. This is where the money came from that bought that. I have 2,000 MMF stake, and I'm earning MMF, and I'm earning MMO also. So far so good. So far so good, guys. But as you guys can see, this thing, it never stopped. It never stopped. I'm gonna just keep getting it until I can't get no more. And this is my MMO stake right here. I'm earning a wrap CRO. I got 17 wrap CRO right now. So that's it. But really and truly, guys, I really want to take you guys to where I get the NFTs from. And as I said, the NFT that I bought, one of them, the money came from the interest I made. So hopefully I could flip that. I only pay like 40 bucks. Well, not 40. I pay like $35. The one I bought today, I paid $35. But the previous ones that I bought, it was like 39. Yes, so I paid 39 for the previous 2. So I got 3. So let me get into it. And guys, I'm not a financial advisor. If you need financial advice, check with a financial advisor. These things that I talk about is just the things that I do, and it's just the way I feel about crypto. I gotta let you guys know that straight up. So what I want to do, I want to go to my NFTs and go check about the NFTs. So let's go back here, and I do have some stuff. Could jump in Savannah, but you know what? I'm kind of excited about the NFT, and I kind of want to show you guys, and show you guys what they look like. And I don't know how many, if they got any more left, but sometimes it's always, well, not sometimes, it's always good to get in early, because you get in early, you get it cheaper. Okay. Okay, all right. So we going straight through. Okay, so what I got to do, guys, I have the NFTs have numbers. So far as you guys can see, they already minted 1,848, and they have 2,100 NFT. So they almost gone, guys. And what I think after these things sell off, then the price gonna start going up. You know what I'm saying? So so this is why I come and get it, majestic minotaur, and get my NFT. And this is what they look like. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm just gonna put in where it said search. It says search majestic minotaur by number. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna put in the number, and I have 3 different NFTs. I have one at 500, I have one at 700, and I have one at 1800. So I'm gonna show you guys what the first one that I bought looked like, which this is Mr. 500. So 5. Okay, so this is my first NFT, guys. This is what it looks like. And as I said, it tells you the background, yellow and purple. It just tells you everything that you need to know about your NFT, because this is yours. Give you the whole rundown and the number and all that. And but as I said, I'm gonna learn more about NFT. This is my first one, and I know these guys. When the Minos, they be coming out. I think they coming out with a game. And if they do come out with the game, I know they're gonna use these characters in that game. So that's why I'm gonna hold on to what I have, and know that is a possibility that this NFT could jump to the roof in no time. This all depends on how things go. It's a bunch of uncertainty right now with the market. We know that crypto down, this, that, the war going on. So we really don't know. Everybody try to hold on to what they got. But as I said, these NFTs, definitely I'm gonna hold on to them. But this is my first. This was the first one that I bought. This was the first one that I bought, and as you guys can see, that's it right there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get back out of here. I don't know. And I'm gonna type in the other one I got. So that one would be in the 7. No, I'm wrong. 795. And this is the guy that I have. So I have him right here. And this is the same thing. It tells you the background, it tells you the color, the nose, and stuff like that. The shirts, and it tells you all that. So come on. Oh, there we go. So this is my second NFT that I ever bought, and as I said, guys, I'm gonna hold on to these, because if they come out with the game, most definitely these characters are gonna be in the game. I would say so. This it. And then I also got another one, guys. So if you have $30 to spend, because they're $30 right now, $30, probably even less than $30, because Crow is down and they cost 90 Crow, as you can see right here. Minting price is 90 Crow. Okay, so if you got 90 Crow, you could mint your NFT in. As you guys can see, man, they already minted 1,848. So it's not a lot left. So let me this is the one. This is the last one. This is the one I bought, and I think this is the one I bought today with the interest that I took from my MMF. And this one was $30, because as I said, crypto is Chronos is down right now. So I got this one for $30. Those other two that I bought, I got those for 39, and this one was like 35. And this is in the 1833, and this is the guy right here. Okay, so I got this guy right here, cool guy with his gold chain, with his $ gold chain, and they goes by the number. So these are my NFTs, guys, and definitely I'm gonna hold on to these and just see what happened, guys. But what I would say, if you have the Crypto.com wallet and you want to get into majestic minotaur, just go to Mino, where that Mino sign, and get to majestic minotaur, and you come down here, and you might have to do it between today and tomorrow, because I think between today and tomorrow these things gonna be gone. Not a financial advisor, but all you do, you just come in and you put the amount. Say for instance you want 2. I think you just put in 2. Hold on, let me see. So for instance, I would put, okay, now. So I would put 2, and after I put 2, then I would hit mint. But right now it tells me that I don't have enough money. I have insufficient funds, because I don't have enough Crow to pay for it, because you got to have the 90 Crow, and you got to have the fees. Okay, so right now I don't have enough Crow to pay for what I have, but that's how you do it, guys. You come here and you just put the number that you want, and once you do that number, you hit mint. And when you hit mint, after you mint the NFT, I think the NFT goes to Crow C. So you would have to come back. So after you come here, let me show you guys. So after you come here, and I don't want to show in Crow C because I think it's gonna show some of my stuff, but I'll just go to Crow C so you guys can see. So basically you come here, and if you want one, then you put that one, you mint that one, and after you finish minting whatever you want, right, then you get back out of here. And I would say you get back out completely, and you goes to dApps. No, not dApps. Okay, I'll come back. So okay, yes, I gotta go to dApps and clear this up. Okay, guys. All right. So now I'm at dApps. So I clear that up. So when I'm at dApps, I'm gonna go to where it said search the URL, where it says search URL. So I'm gonna come up here and I'm gonna type in Crow C, and it's pop up right there. So boom, I'm gonna hit Crow C, and when I hit Crow C, it's gonna take me right here to Crow C, and all I have to do, I just gotta connect the wallet that I have for Crow C. I don't want to connect my wallet right now because, as I said, it shows certain things that I don't know how that's gonna come out. But this is where you gotta come to find your NFT after you mint your NFT. You understand me, guys? So that's what it is, man. I'm not a financial advisor. I want you guys to know that these are the places that I'm in, and I just show you it worked for me, so it might work for you. If you need financial advice, check with a financial advisor. But that's what it is, guys. So after you get your NFT, it's gonna be right here in Crow C. And I guess from Crow C, you could move it right here. You see the wallet sign right there. So all I have to do is connect my wallet, which I think I can connect the wallet. I don't think it's gonna show too much from just connecting the wallet. So okay. So right now I'm in Crow C right now. So this is where the NFT is at, majestic. So right here, all I have to do, I would have to just hit this, but I don't want to hit this button because it shows things that I don't want you guys to see right now. But at least you guys see what the NFTs look like. You just gotta, as I say, you gotta go to Crow C after you finish mint your NFT, and that's where it's gonna be, man. So I hope that was helpful to you guys. That's your boy Congo Lion Crypto. That's what I got for you today, guys. Please to go and use my link if you need some sea moss. Check out New Paradise Natural. You know what I mean? Check them out. See what they got. If you know what I'm saying, if you can find something, you're gonna get 15% off using my link in the description box. If you haven't signed up for Crypto.com, you can also use my link and sign up, and you get $25 off when you do so. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you can know when I upload something new. And that's what it is for me today, guys. I hope you guys have a blessed day. Financial freedom is the key. Remember that, and that's the goal, and that's what we're shooting for. You guys have a good one. Peace.